Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Maria Janica Ganaban Ragutero, 28 years old, married, high school graduate. I have a two-child, 2 years old and a 10 years old, sir.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I belong to a poor family, sir. I want to help my family and to save money for the future of my 2 children, sir.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, sir, but I have an experience here in Philippines as a domestic helper in 2 years and 4 months, sir.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and dishes, sir.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Baby, sir.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a baby?
By feeding them a milk, sir, changing diapers, sir, also changing clothes, and sterilizing the bottle, sir.
Aside from taking care of a baby, what is your skills?
Cleaning the house, sir. All the duties in the house, sir. I know how to ironing, gardening, taking care of baby. That's it.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
It's necessary to be loyal, sir, honest, trustworthy, and hard worker, sir.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hello, madam and sir. I hope to select and choose me as your domestic helper. I am honest, loyal, trustworthy, and good working, sir. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong, sir.